Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing stuff in the rain. And by the way, if you go to Bethel Trail, or your kid goes to Bethel Trail, oh Lord God, holy Lord, holy! I thought that thing was something like a rock. Okay, I'm sorry about that, guys. But so with your kid, or you go to Bethel Trail Elementary and is either in fourth, fifth, or third, go to the gym, and I will be there at 9:15 on the talent show. And the third stacked up, and yeah. So that also, and I am soaked. I am so cold. Look at me. I'm so cold. Yes, sir. Okay. I literally got cut open by this mailbox. So yeah. Oh yes, someone got down to my house. And by the way, I do live in Aurora. That's all I'm gonna say. Yes. Okay, let's go. And by the way, guys, if you like the rain, comment down rain emoji in the comments. It's just a dog. Oh, dog. Oh, there's a husky. Husky! Husky! I love huskies, by the way. I want a husky when I'm older. Bye, husky! Bye! I know, I'm really cold. When I am wet, I look so skinny. But when I'm, I look skinnier when I'm wet. Now, when I'm not wet, I don't know why. And yes, I am, I might be posting more often, because I might have a sleepover with my friend on Saturday night. Maybe, and my grandparents. So me and her might be posting a lot, yes, a lot on our channel. She also has a TikTok channel, only TikTok channel, and I have a YouTube channel, so, yeah, and the talent show at Bethel Trail will be at 9:15, I think, yeah, and yes, so please subscribe, like this video, subscribe, and comment down below what I said Oh my god, that looks like real ducks, but it's just fake. Yes. So I'm gonna end the video here. Hope you guys have a good day, afternoon, evening, night, whatever it is where you guys are at, and have a good day. Bye.